15 degrees last night, so I left a cup of water out for 12 hours. Now I'm going to bring it inside and I'm going to let the edges melt for easier removal. Okay, now I'm going to tip the candle upside down and dump out the water that hasn't yet frozen all the way through yet. As you'll see, water freezes from wherever it's touching the air first, and then it makes its way down towards the bottom of the candle. It looks like sometimes you have a little layer of ice right over the top. It's super easy to break through with a very simple knife. Okay, we're going to open up the candle a little bit. Pour the rest of the cold water out. I like to save the cold water if I'm making multiple candles. And there you have it. Voila! The biggest concern when making your ice votives is to not let the water freeze all the way solid through. Between 10 and 20 degrees Fahrenheit takes about 12 hours for the perfect votive. It also will vary a little bit on the size of your container. Have some fun, and thank you so much for watching.